We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new trap kit in here and disposal kit. The old one was plumbed in a way that it was not correct. It had the accordion style drain, and then it had a 90 with a tailpiece sticking down, and it created a huge trap down here. And the reason why is the fitting back here, the ABS fitting, the Schedule 40 ABS fitting right there, was a 45, and it didn't point at this assembly the correct way, so they couldn't get it to trap correctly. That's my guess. So what we did is we cut it all out, all the way back to there, put an 1.5 inch 60-degree offset right there, and then came over, gave you a brand new P-trap tubular, a brand new telescoping disposal kit with a little extension on there, and then a brand new tailpiece up to the basket strainer. So that's all in. We've run lots of water down it, and everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.